the implementation of a LED display with two sensors. So this is basically the Arduino board, which is basically the brain of the whole experiment. This is where all the code and everything is being stored, and then it's sent in an instruction to the full size breadboard and to the LED display. And this is the LED display. This is where all the connections are being made and where all the components are are being put into. And then we have in the wires, which shows or which helps in connecting one circuit to another. And then we have the humidifier. This is specifically the DHT22 humidifier. This measures ambient temperature and humidity. It is used for monitoring environmental humidity and for monitoring the environment basically. Then this two things here. These are ultrasonic sensors, and they are used to measure the distance of ultrasonic waves, and they are also used into time when the ultrasonic waves come back and how they turn back. This is the LED display screen. It shows a visual interface and it displays the text. It can display basically anything that it is programmed and to display. Then these are resistors. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can look at it very well. This is a resistor. It is basically a safety or a precaution component. It is used to reduce and or limit the flow of electric current to prevent an explosion or a burnout. Then this is a potentiometer. It is usually used to adjust the LCD contrast so that the screen is visible. It is used to adjust with the contrast. If not, it might be too bright or too dark, and a person might not be able to see through it. So this is just basically all the components. Then we have LED. Then we have LEDs here. These are used as visual indicators and or alarms if there's an accident or if something is wrong. So now I'm going to simulate the whole project so you can see how it works. Let me put it straight very well. Then I'm going to press the simulate button. Okay, now it is and the system is compiling. It is